We are trying. These are these weird Asian juices. I'm getting orange. He's gonna try green. Going all over my face.
Hey, got it all on my face.
My glasses. Zoom in. This is my face now. Alright, let's try it, I guess. This just tastes like coconut.
I guess 6 out of 10. Minus a point for splashing all over my face.
Taste wise, I would give this a 7 out of 10. But just because it exploded all over my face and my glasses, and I have to wash my face and my glasses, we'll give it a 6.
It's the same as
These
mine.
are my glasses. These are my glasses. Yeah.
They need a better opening system